Hi guys, this is Zilla. I'm back again with another quick review. I've got another case for the Huawei P20 Pro. I picked this up from Amazon for £9.99. I'll just show you there. So ORNARTO is the brand. It's a plastic matte finish non-slip type of case. I will leave a link in the description below where you can pick this up from. So £9.99. Use that link because that's the cheapest price I could find it for. It will save you money and it helps me grow the channel, guys. So let's have a look at this case. It's very thin, hard plastic type shell case. But what I like about this, it covers all around the phone. So the bottom's covered, the top is covered. As you can see, there's slots cut in the buttons there, making them very tactile. It's very, very light, guys. You've also got slits cut in the bottom corners here and here. That makes it easy to take on and off the actual device. And because it's a matte finish, it doesn't really show fingerprints. It's a little bit on the slippery side, if I'm honest, but it's less slippery than the naked phone itself. So just bear that in mind. Inside, smooth plastic finish, nothing special there. So let's drop the P20 into the actual, or P20 Pro into the actual case itself. Nice and easy, no problems at all. Goes in without any issue. Now, let's show you around the actual case itself. So at the top, cut out for the mic and IR blaster. Buttons, very clicky as you can hear there. On the bottom, perfectly aligned holes for the speaker and mic grill. And I like the way they've cut this little section out here for the charging port. So it is a little bit more exposed there, but it's okay. You know, it's not going to really cause too much problems. It's just nice that it's open like that because you can use a variety of third-party charging cables if you want to. Along this side, there's nothing. I just forgot to show you here. They've got a little lanyard hole. So if you want to put a lanyard through there, you can do. The case doesn't come with one, but I just thought I'd mention it. As I said, nothing along this side. And this is what I really like. On the back, there's no branding on the entire case. It's a matte finish, looks very sleek. Now, if I show you the camera cutout, it's got a slight lip running around it. So it will actually, I think it's 0.3 of a millimeter above the actual camera lens. So if I lay it on its back, you're not going to have any issues with that, scratching the cameras. But unlike other cases, I like how they've cut around the individual lenses and the flash. It just seems a lot more secure. Let me bring that in a bit closer so you can see that. How it's just slightly recessed. It doesn't affect the flash when you're using the camera. There is virtually no lip protection on here either. So this is a case for someone who works in an office environment, a professional, wears a suit to work. It's not really for someone who works on a building site or does an active job. One thing I really like about this case, you can use a full glass screen protector with the actual case without the screen protector being lifted. And if you can see here, that's a full glass screen protector, complete edge to edge protection. Works perfectly. Let's bring that to focus. I will be reviewing this screen protector, so stay tuned for that. But I really like this case. Really nice. It's not going to make you go crazy with fingerprints or anything like that. Let me just bring this in. This is a Spigen rugged armor. If you haven't seen my review of that, check it out. But you can see the difference in the cutouts now between the two. So really nice. And it works with full coverage glass screen protectors. As I said, complete edge to edge protection. This one doesn't. If you've got a full glass screen protector, this will lift it up. So there you have it, guys. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video, thumbs down if you didn't. Hit the notification bell icon and subscribe to the channel. Share this video on all your social media, and I'll see you all again real soon. My next review will be this official car kit from Huawei for the P20 Pro. It's Zilla saying take care and peace.